Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Simplywise app and whether it's worth using for simplifying insurance management and financial planning. Quick disclaimer, this is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a full visual demo. Simplywise is designed to help users manage their insurance policies and financial documents all in one place. It offers tools to organize coverage details, track payments, and store important files securely. Users appreciate how it brings clarity to complicated insurance info and makes it easier to stay on top of deadlines and renewals. The app's clean interface and reminders help reduce stress around managing multiple policies. On the downside, some users report that customer support can be slow, and a few mention limited integrations with certain insurers. If you've been enjoying this video so far, drop a like. In summary, Simplywise is worth using if you want a straightforward way to organize and monitor your insurance and related financial documents. However, if you prefer a fully integrated financial planning platform or need extensive customer support, it might not cover all your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in description.